Aldous Huxley's Doors of Perception details a transformative journey that highlights the filters our minds often submit to. Under the influence of mescaline, the author finds themselves sharing an experience many get through meditation and religion, an experience of appreciating the natural rhythm of existence. The capacity to simply be and feel, much like the flow of existence many Zen teachings hold, is mentioned throughout. This altered state shifts focus away from spatial definitions and invites a direct encounter with life itself rather than a detached analysis of where things are spatially and when they are coming. Removing the filter removes much of the mind's relative descriptions of things to itself. Drawing on ideas from scientists and religions, the narrative suggests that our brain and nervous system act as filters, limiting the infinite information of the universe to what is deemed necessary for survival. In this state, titled The Mind at Large, the divine nature of every element, whether a flower, chair, or even the abstract concept of infinity, reveals itself. This state must have been felt to be understood. Language and the words in them are not infinite, and therefore cannot adequately describe an infinite thing. To have an experience will forever be separate from hearing about an experience. Huxley further describes disappointment with the education system, which he himself was a part of. Funding often seems to be given to language-based study rather than experiential ones. These reflections touch on the interplay between the ego and our own capacity to perceive. The ego, acting as both our self and our filter through which we perceive the universe, can hinder the realization of a larger interconnected reality. When this filter is removed, whether by chemical changes, meditation, or other means, the boundaries of the self dissolve, unveiling an infinite, unified existence. Ultimately, this narrative appears as a reminder that there is more to life and the universe than our filtered thoughts. The doors of perception are how we peer beyond our brain's egotistic, relative to self, filters. Disrupting or pausing these filters allows us to experience nature and the existence directly, beyond the limited language that shapes our everyday understanding. We can see that the sea flows through our veins, and the stars are our jewels.